Henry Marzarella, and these are our current World War II updates. The United States has maintained its constitutional republic government structure throughout World War II. Certain expendities were taken within the existing structure of the federal government, such as conscription and other violation of civil liberties, and the intermittent and later dispersal of Japanese Americans. World War II also debuted the UNO formation. It was also a giant reason for the Cold War to start between the USA and the USSR. When soldiers came back from the war, the US was in its best economic position it had ever been in. During the war, they were found between two sides, the Axis powers and the Allies. The Axis powers consisted of Germany, Japan, and Italy, while the Allied powers consist of the US, Great Britain, and a little bit of the USSR and China. Throughout the war, Republicans and Democrats kept their same beliefs on how the government should be run. The Republicans held on to the idea that the US government should be small and limited, whereas the Democrats thought that the government should be big and take care of people's health care and such. Many types of technology have been built for military use, and major developments occurred across several fields, including weaponry, ships, vehicles, submarines, aircrafts, tanks, artillery, small arms, and biological, chemical, and atomic weapons. Some examples are the radios they created to detect nearby enemy aircrafts. The British were the first to employ the radar, and it helped them to fight off the Germans in the Battle of Britain. Aircraft carrier. One of the biggest changes in the naval technology in World War II was the best use of the aircraft carrier we've seen. This technology was very helpful and may have been one of the deciding factors in this war. Aircrafts were used extensively in large-scale bombing campaigns during the war. Rocket technology was developed by Nazi scientists during the war, leading to the development of the first missiles, including the infamous V2 rocket. The Nazis' technology was more advanced than anyone's. However, German military technology during World War II increased in terms of sophistication, but also cost, mechanical unreliability, and time to manufacture. Nazi Germany put effort into developing weapons, particularly aircraft, rockets, submarines, tanks during the war. That's all I got.